So we put a fuel pressure regulator in Andy here. I think we put new spark plugs. Did we put a new cap and rotor?
No, cap and rotor was pretty fresh. The spark plug wires were previously replaced. Only thing I did was the spark plugs, buttoned up the actual fuel system with the intake. New air filters, since we already had that in stock.
That's nice to have. Yeah, the FPR was leaking there, and that's what's causing the thing to shake and fucking dance all over the engine bay. So now it's way smoother. The only things that are a little bit amiss right now, yeah, there we go. The only things that are amiss right now are the wiper motors are in the wrong position. The clutch catches extremely high. I'm not sure if it needs a new clutch or if it's a clutch pedal adjustment, clutch cable adjustment. But otherwise, this is really shaping up. You know, we'll give it a nice detail and a buff. I'm hoping, you know, the hood will come back out nice. Probably will.